Excuse me. Excuse me. Who are you?
My name is Cookie Monster.
Okay, and you?
Google Monster.
Google Monster, and you?
Light McQueen.
Okay, Light McQueen.
So we were
But why are you making so much mess over here, guys?
It's not a mess.
Oh, sorry.
First of all.
Wow.
Handshake. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, boom, hey!
Okay, so today we have a snowstorm.
So today we have a snowstorm.
Wait, let her instruct, please. Sorry.
Okay. Take it into.
अभी हमें तो अपने आगे रखो सकते हैं। पता चलो यार it's cold. It's cold. Oh my god, ये तो सुनो ये सारा फटता जा रहा है. Oh my god. Let's see go. सुहागा स्ट्रोना देखो. Oh my god. Okay.
Hi guys, my name is Leah. Last night it was crazy snow. And look how big it is.
Papa, look. Snow, Papa, look. There is cleaning.
People are outside cleaning the drive-thrus. And people are helping.
Look, you know.
Look at ours.
ये अभी कैमरे के अंदर इतनी शोर नहीं हो रही, but it's really crazy.
Last night there was a snow, like a snow. The deck is full of snow.
Yeah.
And there's this snowstorm last night that everybody, if we step outside, we are going to like move like all the way over there.
So this is our first.
My mom loves snow, so she was so excited. And guys, sorry about my eyes because my eyes I just woke up.
Yeah. So now I hope you enjoy.
Imagine there was
bad
poor
snow.
people.
Oh yeah, I'm praying for them too.
Yeah, they're in a bad weather and they get sick.
Exactly. They can even yesterday in
Could I tell
Pakistan
them
have a snow and whole family dying in snow because they was on vacation.
Could I tell them something about when we were going for grocery one day? Guys, we were going for grocery. We were going for grocery one day. My dad was about to go get some Tim Hortons, and he saw the poor people who was very cold right beside Tim Hortons, and we got him.
Guys,
I hope you don't hit my own car.
अभी नहीं इसको थोड़ा सा छोड़ दो लूज कर दो. In 2 seconds.
He takes all snow and put it on our yard. See,
Now he's gonna clean that.
now the way that we like reverse, he's gonna clean that part. We can build more snowmen if we have these.
Oh my god, look at
That thing, it's not water, it's snow. Don't need our car. Guys, I just woke up just to look at the stove.
In 1 second he done more than her.
Do Mama, do we have these things in Ontario?
Yeah, we used to have it at our school, you remember?
No. Yes.
He's about to crash our car.
I saw that.
At least he did not. Why crashing my snow? It has to be smooth.
Look at the mountains.
Wow, I could just run into it.
Okay. Well, I drive.
No, you're going to get jumped to it. I know.
Well, I could go outside now, right?
Guys,
Oh.
G-O, guys.
Guys, look.
The mountain.
I don't know if they're supposed to do it like that.
Look, they're doing turbines.
The thing that's like throwing the snow is like the mouth. That's just like
Spitting, washing my teeth.
poor these guys who are like those. They're working so hard to just clean their drive-through.
I can help you clean your drive too.
मैं आपको आगे घर जाके करीब का एरिया दिखाती हूँ जितना गंद मच। ये देखिए, ये कैमरे में देखो नजर नहीं आ रही,